Good morning, all. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Market Podcast, where we discuss important levels on Nifty, Bank Nifty, along with the positioning of FIIs with respect to the open interest data. We will also discuss a bit on the rollover trends emerging from the monthly rollover analysis. Now, yesterday on the expiry day, we saw Nifty opening positive, but it could not sustain at higher levels. It faced resistance around 19,400, which is the 20-day exponential moving average, and steadily declined throughout the day. So not only did it decline throughout the day, it also ended lower than the 50-day exponential moving average around 19,250, which is around the lowest levels in the last few weeks. So the price action today would be very important in case we breach levels of 19,180, 19,200, where there is a pending gap left a couple of months back. Now that could be negative for the market. So 19,180 on the downside would be a crucial number to watch out for, while on the upside 19,400, 19,420 has to cross. Even the options data with respect to the call put writing, if we see 19,200 puts as well as 19,300 and 19,400 calls, if we see, that is also suggesting at a for a range of 19,150 on the downside to 19,400 on the upside. Bank Nifty, if we see, that index also ended negative yesterday. It faced selling pressure from higher levels and closed closer to 44,000 towards the lower end of the range. But going forward, we feel that 43,600, 43,700 could act as a strong support in Bank Nifty, and one needs to see that 44,400, 44,450 levels gets crossed before taking any bet on the positional upside up to 45,000, 45,200. So all in all, important levels for Nifty would be 19,150 on the downside, 19,400 on the upside. From a Bank Nifty standpoint, it would be 43,600 on the downside and 44,100 on the upside. If we see the FIIs and DIIs action yesterday, FIIs have been net sellers in cash to the tune of 2973 crores, while DIIs have been net buyers to the tune of 4380 crores. FII's long short ratio in index futures has rose from 45% to 50%, but being monthly expiry yesterday, we would not bother too much about this number, and we would like to see how the number is panning out in the next few sessions. Stock specific and sector specific, we saw some bullish moves in IT, real estate names, cement, consumer durables, and all these bullish moves have come when the markets were negative yesterday. So hence we expect the momentum in these sectors to continue going forward for the next few sessions also. Speaking a bit about the rollover trends, Nifty rollovers were lower at 78% compared to the 3 months average of 84%. Now these lower rolls with price decline is indicating some kind of a range bound move going ahead. While Bank Nifty, if we see the rollovers, it was constant at 77% compared to the last 3 months average of 77%, but the base of the rollover has increased by 18-20%. So here higher rolls with price decline is indicating some kind of a negative sentiment creeping into Bank Nifty stocks. If we see the market wide rollover, it is quite stable at 91%, but the number of shares rolled, that number is higher by 6% in absolute terms. So we feel that and this is much because of a lot of stock specific bets taken by market participants in the last month. And we saw while Nifty and Bank Nifty were negative, were in a range, it was a month which was backed by a lot of stock specific action. So post first negative close from a series to series basis in the last 5 months, we feel that the coming month in September could see some serious action, because if we see historically, September months have been the most volatile also, and they are known for big moves. So from September 2018, whether it is on the positive or negative side, the indices have registered a change over the previous month by at least 5 to 6%, and intra-month volatility has been 8 to 9%. So I feel we all should be a bit cautious in terms of over leverage positions, and it could be a trending month, so it could offer us good opportunity both on the long as well as short side. Rollovers, if we see the stock specific or sector specific rollovers, they have been more stronger in auto, chemicals, IT, textiles and capital goods. So that's all from my side. Hope you enjoyed listening to the podcast and found it useful for your trading decisions. Do tune in tomorrow for more market related updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.